Ow.
Alright, today's video. Last video showed you how to swap out the hood struts. Well, yeah, the hood struts. So the struts under the hood. There. So I figured to go with that, we'll just show you how you swap out the struts here in the back for the hatch. Hood struts are kind of just more of a hassle just from trying to kind of wedge the screwdriver in there to get it to pry those clips apart. The back is more straightforward, but it is more of a hassle because the hatch is heavy as shit. So to show you what to do, first of all, you'll need a prop of some sort or someone to hold the hatch up for you because it's heavy as hell and it will crush you. So you have a 5/16 bolt right here, and down here, oh, I duct taped my tripod back together. So moving around with this here, right here, you pop off, just grab it, pop off this little trim piece, and you have a T50 Torx bit nut right there. So all you do is, you take off the one up here at the top, start with that one first, okay? Because this is where the pressure sits here, but then directs all the way down there into the bottom since that's the base. So it's easier to take this off top here first and then worry about going down there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this one off real quick, take out this 5/16 nut, pop the strut off, and then I'll go down there and take out that T50 bolt and pop that out to the side. Make sure you have the hatch supported so you don't get your ass squished. So hang on. Angle that right there real quick. Take this out. Now, I don't think there are different part numbers for these. I think it's going to be the same part number for all third gens, but just verify that. There's the 5/16 bolt. Don't lose that right there. I'm going to reposition you here. Actually, while it's right here, all you do is kind of just take your thumb, put it right here, and lift up a little bit and pry that down and loosen it. Make sure that your support is nice and solid. Okay, solid enough. All right. So now angle this down to here, and I will get that past the garage door. There. Okay. Now I'm gonna take some Torx bit, T50, which I think is the biggest Torx bit they make, and loosen this up to the ground. You have the trim piece right here. I dropped my Torx bit right there. Okay, so this trim piece, what you're going to do is after you replace the strut, this one actually maybe leaking just ever so slightly. Okay, so you have this flat area here, and the angle that area that goes in towards the car. You just take the bolt, new bolt in there, keep this hatch side free, and get this started. All right. Slide this on after you got this pretty much all tightened up. Tight. You go ahead and take this, and this is just a little pressure thing. It's got 3 little clips in here. One of them broke off because they all do that. And actually, if you look at this, show you real quick. This is what the color of the interior was. Pretty much new. The sun doesn't hit this, and you can kind of see what it faded to here. Down here, you can, I don't know, maybe you'll be able to see the difference. That much difference right there. We'll refinish the interior here at some point in time. I'll show you what I'm going to do about those panels to get them to kind of look something more like this, or at least more new. But you can go for now to take this, pop this back on, So it clips on there, stays there. Now I'm going to move it back here. Once that side's all in there, we'll take this end, lift up on the hatch as we have to slide it over in there. Once that slides in, take it. And all we do is now just run this back down. If any of you guys out there, because this happens in hotter climates, when you have these things closed up, have any of you guys experienced where your hatch will just explode, like the glass just breaks because it gets so hot in there? If you have, let me know, because I see that happens a lot to like people in Texas. That's tight, and that's it. There you go. Remove your prop rod, and you're all back to normal. So that is how you replace the rear hatch struts. Same on each side. Part number should be the same for all of them, I do believe, and that'll do it. So I guess I'll see you guys next week. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. And thanks for watching.